our business is not buying and selling business. Alright? We call it the business of the 21st century, where everybody have the power to create their own economy and drive their own economy. Where you can own a business platform that can begin to pay you for life. And this system globally, sir, have been in existence now, if I'm not mistaken, about 70 years already old. Yes, about 70 years old. The entire system has been around. But our company, who also adopted this system, started 14 years ago in a country called Philippines. As I'm talking to you today, the goal of this company is to make sure that Philippines, which is just like Nigeria, with the same poverty level, their mission is we want to make ordinary people who are so poor, who are just hoping maybe government can help them, want to make them extraordinary millionaire. And let me tell you, today we have over 6 million people participating in this program in the Philippines, and whose lives have been transformed. If you are able to go to Philippines with us by 2021, that is where you will see young boys of 21 years old, 18 years old, 19 years old, maybe 27 maximum, driving Ferraris right from this business, building houses right from this business. Life are changing. But the question is, what are these people doing? The business is simple, and this is a business every one of us do every day. And we have also make it simple. What these guys are doing is they simply connect people. Like right now, sir, what you have on ground, sir, if you are properly followed up, in just 1 year, you can put 100 million in your bank account with 135,000 naira that you have paid, sir. Okay. It is all about connecting people, connecting them to opportunities. And every one of us do the same thing every day. And let me tell you this, if peradventure you buy a product you enjoy, or you go anywhere, maybe ShopRite for example, and there is something in particular you are buying from ShopRite that you enjoy using, and your friends come around and they are asking you where you buy it, what will you do? You will direct them to ShopRite. Is that not so? Yes. You might not even go with them, but immediately you do that, sir, you have done a business that you are not paid for. You have made a transaction happen that you are never benefiting from. And this is how many of us every blessed day make a lot of companies and organizations become very popular and rich. You have the opportunity, sir. Some of us here, we are powerful leaders of women group. Some of us here, we are leaders in churches. Some of us here, we are managers and business owners in our offices. Those are the people we are sharing the information with. Okay? And once we are sharing this information, everybody is benefiting. And aside from that, what we have done differently at Freedom Project is that we keep on advertising. You are hearing it on radio, you are seeing it online. Why are we advertising? Because we are building a community. So that when you come into the business, you are not relying only on your effort, but there is a support for you within the system that is supporting everybody. And that's why you see the advert keep on running. Online, offline, online, offline. Now, we have now raised a campaign that in the next 90 days, we want people to make 1 million. How many people? 1,000. Now, some people are thinking it's not possible, but it is possible because it's simple mathematics. If you do the calculation and the mathematics level, you discover that it's the easiest thing we can do here. And that is the journey we have embarked on now. And since we have made it a campaign, sir, ladies and gentlemen, what I want us to do is this. Let's go all out and make it a campaign. Do you want to be a millionaire in 90 days? Come and become part of our community. And let's invite them here. And by December, sir, one of the most powerful things we are also trying to do is that we are launching our real estate plan. So that every member of this community can have access to a home of their dream by 2021. And how do we intend to do this? I was with the director of land last week, all right, and we discussed with her on how they can give us massive area of land in Ibeju. We are not going through Omunile. We are going direct to the government. Yes. We have also gone to Adron Homes, who are already in the real estate business. And so, okay, give us a business plan. Let's work together. If we are getting a property from the government and you are coming in with your experience, with our own experience, then we can help thousands of people. So that with the same registration of 45,000 that you have, with the same registration of 130 something thousand that you have, something can be going on from that business into your house plan, and within 1 year you can have a key to a house. And we are trying to do this for as many people as possible. In fact, our goal for the first session is 1,000 people to own a house. So which I believe with this we can empower thousands of people. And for many of us who have children at home, who have young people at home, maybe probably from the age of 18 and above, please, if they are still in school, if they are out of school, don't keep them at home. Let them come here. Alright? Let them come and learn what we are doing. A lot of them have ideas, they have things they want to do, but what is keeping them back is that they don't have the money to do it. And even we, the parents, don't even have the money to give them to go and do it. And what happened to their dream and their ideas is that down there. Alright? And that's why they say the richest place on the planet is where? The graveyard. Why? Because people are dying with their dream on a daily basis. So ladies and gentlemen, if people come here, they can accept a simple opportunity and they can build it gradually. This is not a get rich quick, but they can build it gradually within the space of 1 year, 2 years, and they can raise capital for themselves. Then they can go and fulfill their life desires and their dreams and do whatever they want with the money. Let me tell you guys something. When I was starting this business, I started with 40-something thousand like we are starting right now. And I remember that was the point I needed the opportunity the most in my life, because I was looking for how I'm going to raise money, and because I know where I'm coming from. My father used to be a teacher, though he's retired now, and my mother is just a trader. And I know from where I'm coming from, if I wait for them, nothing will happen to me. So I have to go and fight for myself. And fighting for myself was when I discovered this opportunity, and I picked it up, sir. I started with 2 people. Let me tell you, we work hard though. There is nothing that comes easy. Alright? We work hard, we dedicated our time and an effort to it. And ladies and gentlemen, today, the 3 of us, we have built an organization of over 670,000 people. Not only in Nigeria, in fact, the number in Nigeria is even small. Maybe out of 600 and something, what we are having in Nigeria is 200 and something thousand. The rest are in other African countries, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, DRC, Congo, Ghana, Cameroon, they are all there. And we are doing this using our mobile phone, talking to people, sharing information with people. That's basically what we do. And not only that, we are raising capitals. So every one of us just need to understand that this is a simple business. Connect more people. The more people we are connecting, the more success a lot of people are recording. And I can promise you guys, I can guarantee that this company has never disappointed us in any way, and they will not disappoint you as well.
Amen.
So we are going to do this together. In the next 90 days, we all are going to be singing a joyful song to our banks.
Amen.
Alright, so that is what I believe, and that's what is going to happen to every one of us. Have no fear. This is a home for every one of us. Alright? And the only thing we can do to make our home stand is to come together and build it. Is that also?
Yes.
Alright. So we are here 24 hours. In case you have any concern, in case you want to learn more, the trainings are going on. You have any concern, my lines are open. You can reach out to me anytime, any day.